Hey guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. In today's vlog, we are going to visit Bar Bang Juhu. Now, Bar Bang is an open space restaurant. I have not really been there, but all I could think about that this place or restaurant has a food truck theme. So I guess it's new for some of us. My hopes are quite high. So let's explore this place together. Let's go. Call for a lot of food. You know what, whenever I have to do online shopping, it's like just put everything in the cart, and the same thing I did today. I called for okay, this looks good, let's just order it, and I order so many stuff. What I have noticed after coming inside, that they have different cuisine under one roof. Let's go ahead and eat some delicious food. Here I have some fries. Now I have opted for loaded fries. There are varieties of fries, so not to worry. I'm gonna have this, and along with that I'm gonna have my drink, which is Cosmopolitan, again somewhere red. Cosmopolitan is a ladies drink. Okay, the vodka is quite strong. I could immediately feel vodka. If you want to, have a very strong drink, which I feel you would ideally prefer. But for me, it's too much of vodka. Let's eat this. So the preparation is very basic. Fries, which are tossed in red chili powder, then some cheese and two types of cheese. I think this could be your normal cheddar cheese and cheese sauce. So I'm going to use this dips which are there. So I got this Szechuan sauce and tomato ketchup. I'm gonna dip into this. These are nice fries, okay? Cooked properly, crispy from outside, little salty. I think the saltiness is coming from cheese, but really loved it. Red chili powder का बहुत ही अच्छा taste आ रहा है. It's stunning. Next in line we have spring rolls. Now I prefer veg spring rolls. If you want chicken, then you can just order them. The preparation of these spring rolls are very simple, just how you get at any Chinese joint, and I am a person who prefers Indo-Chinese kind of a thing. I don't really prefer bland Chinese food. These are looking not only tempting but also spicy. Let's use this Szechuan sauce, lots of it. यहाँ का चाइनीज ना सेम वैसा है जैसा मैं प्रिफर करती हूँ, how I like my Chinese. It's very simple yet delicious. So the filling that they have added inside is of Szechuan sauce. So I think Szechuan sauce तो इसमें डाला ही है. उसके साथ they have added some vegetables. Mostly I can see some cabbage. Other than that, I think they have added some carrot and some. I think cabbage and carrot are the most prominent ingredient in this dish. After some spicy fries and some desi style spring rolls, I have totally gone out of the track and called for chili idlis. Very basic, like capsicum, onions and some idlis tossed in red chili powder, some mustard seeds and my favorite chutney. Yummy! इसमें ना थोड़ा सा घी का फ्लेवर आ रहा है. Either they have tossed their idlis in ghee और they have added घी in चटनी. दोनों में से एक में definitely घी है. But let me tell you, इसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा रेड चिली पाउडर डाली है. If you don't like very spicy food, then don't call for it. Otherwise, you have to particularly mention it that don't make it spicy. Otherwise, you're just gonna lose your taste or you're gonna feel extremely spicy. Probably because they have named it as chili idli. Otherwise, the dish is very simple, nice and tasty. The next thing in line, we have this shawarma. So this is a very basic shawarma, or chicken shawarma, obviously. So let's go ahead and eat this. मेयो के साथ ही खाना चाहिए शॉर्मा. मेयो के साथ अगर आप शॉर्मा नहीं खाते हो ना, तो शॉर्मा का कोई टेस्ट नहीं है. Out of all the dishes that I order, I think this one was the best. It has this little tangy taste and flavor. They have added so many things in it. It's full of chicken. Can you just see like how much chicken they have added? Then some beetroot, some lettuce, and I think it has some tangy flavor also. I don't know where is it coming from. Probably the mayo. But I really like this shawarma. I think this shawarma is a 10 on 10 for me. It's not spicy at all. It has this, you know, and when you add mayo to it, it becomes little sour and tangy, like that kind of flavor. Overall, I think the bread is good. Everything is good. Bread is not stale at all. I think the bread is quite fresh. This shawarma has some bitter taste. I think the bitter taste is coming from Probably the bitter taste is coming from the lettuce only, but then yeah, it has a tangy, bitter and sour taste. बहुत ही बढ़िया है, मज़ा आ गया खा के. I completely forgot about this dish. Actually, I have added this in my cart, but I didn't want it to order, but somehow I think I forgot to remove it and I placed it. So I have called for one North Indian dish, that is tandoori aloo. Along with that, you get two type of chutney. One is red chutney, other is green chutney, some lemon and some onions. You know, I can see some good burnt marks, and I think they have added some coriander. Now aloo is my favorite. Like potato is of course my favorite, but then I don't generally order for tandoori aloo. But we are going to try this today. Can you see the amount of burnt marks it has? I think the taste and flavors are going to be very good. Hopefully, I'm going to try this red chutney because I like red chutney more than the green chutney. It has a very chatpata taste and little bit spicy also. I have noticed one thing about this place, that all the dishes that they serve are mostly spicy. I think anything that you order, you have to make sure that it's not spicy, or otherwise I think the red chutney is spicy. Now I'm going to try this green chutney. Green chutney is extremely chatpata. It's very spicy. I think all the dishes that you will order here are going to be very spicy. You have to make sure, guys, that you tell them not to order or make it too spicy. Our second last dish is this burnt garlic noodles. Now this, I wanted to order something in main course, that's why I opted for it. Otherwise I don't have any reason to order this. There is a lot of burnt garlic on the top, and I think the noodles that they have used are very thin noodles. I am really confused about if they are properly cooked, or like the noodles ideally only are like this. Then I can see some capsicum, some cabbage, bell pepper, some carrot, all those things are there. Then some spring onion. These noodles are very similar to our Hakka noodles. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा flavor और taste नहीं है. Like basic our Hakka noodles which you will get at any other restaurant, I would say that वो उडुपी restaurants में जैसे Hakka noodles मिलता है ना, that kind of a taste I can feel over here, or I can taste. So the taste and flavors are very basic. Noodles का taste है, vegetables का taste है, and then they are tossed with some sauces. When these type of noodles are given, I generally prefer to eat it with green chili sauce. Like that's the best combination, or at least I feel that that's the combination I generally enjoy. So I won't say that these are burnt garlic noodles. I would term it as Hakka noodles. Very similar to that. Maybe after a couple of bites, or if you like have this dish entirely, you might get that burnt garlic taste. Burnt garlic इन्होंने डाला तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, और अच्छी quantity में they have added it. But then somehow उतना taste नहीं आ रहा है burnt garlic का. Again, I would say that this is very desi Chinese वाला taste. If you like desi Chinese, then you're gonna love it, or you will like it. I feel the overall food is only decent, very casual and chilling kind of a food. Now it's time for favorite segment of my vlog, that is dessert time. Okay, I am a big fan of dessert, and I think everyone knows that. जिसने भी dessert बनाया है ना, I just want to tell that person why did he create it, or she created such a beautiful thing, because it gets very difficult to lose these things or not to have this thing during your diet. I know how I control myself. Whenever I go on a diet spree, it's like I am that kind of person who wants dessert, who wants to eat dessert, or at least indulge herself after every meal into some breathtaking dessert. This dessert is called Rocky Road Sundae. As much as I can understand, this is some vanilla ice cream, some brownie and some almonds. It's a little melted though, because I think I kept it for a long time. But look at it, the chocolate, the amount of chocolate, some nuts and some vanilla ice cream. Very decent, nothing exceptional. बाहर से कोई brownie लाया है, then vanilla ice cream and some chocolate syrup, that's it. Nothing wow about it, but I think it's good to go. Considering the place, considering the prices, it's like how much you're giving, you're getting that amount of food. The place is not at all expensive, so accordingly the quality of food is very good, or very decent, I would say. I think I had a very decent experience, and at the same time I don't feel that there is any lot of negative stuff about this place. If you want to really experience something different, then you're good to go. Festive meter time. Now we are going to rate this place on my festive meter. The place is quite nice. I think if you're coming in the evening, and especially in winters, you're gonna really enjoy the vibe of this restaurant. The food is very decent. I won't say that food is exceptional or something. You want to really experience something very different, and you want to have all type of cuisine. You want to have North Indian, South Indian, Asian, momos, desserts, like just name it, and everything is there under one roof. Now I'll consider all the factor: pricing, ambience, food quality, quantity, staff. Considering all the factors, I'm going to rate this place 8 out of 10 on my festive meter. Though the quality is decent, I feel the prices are very affordable and pocket friendly. So guys, I think that's all for today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. That's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye. Now let's have some nachos. Sorry.